Hey, watch him now. 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 Hey guys, well, let's here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. That is a lion. That is a lion, a real lion. Yes, I'm at the Jamaica Zoo. We've just completed a fascinating tour of the property, including lions. Lions are here. And I'm going to share that with you right now. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel though, remember, I do a lot of these kind of videos, capturing what I call the real Jamaica. And I don't want to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go!
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Come on, here much better. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Very good, very good, very good. Welcome you to Jamaica Zoo once again. First, must introduce you to myself. My name is Fearon. I'm one of the person to be in charge of you in your petting zoo today, where you can touch and interact with some of your animals. First, I'm going to introduce you all my little friend, and his given name is Lips. What's my friend's name? Lips. Let us all clap Lips and stay. Lips is our ball python snake. Ball python snake is one of the most friendly snake of the snake family. In the snake world, I got over 2,900 species of snake. Out of that 2,900 species, 375 are considered to be venomous. Do you know what venomous means? Yeah. Poisonous. Good. Yeah. Ball python snake grow approximately from 3 to 5 feet in length. Snake's diet consists of rodents, birds, and insects at times. Do you know what rodents are?
Rats.
Good. The rodents are mammals that nibble. For example, rats, capybaras, squirrels, hamsters, etc. Do you know what capybaras are?
No.
Capybaras are the largest rodent of the rodent family. Here at Jamaica Zoo, we feed our ball python snake given name Lips with rabbits, chicken, and mice at times. Snakes got over 200 teeth, which is placed backwards in their mouth. These teeth are not used for chewing. It is used for securing their prey. Snakes don't sting, snake bite. Some people use snake skin to make accessories. For example, shoes, belts, and bags, bracelets, etc. Ball python snake got his name ball python because when feel threatened, it calls itself into a ball.
All right, Sherry's gonna go.
Come right here for your picture.
So why was I chosen?
You're the sacrifice.
Come on, Jamaica.
My God, this is not for the faint of heart.
Jamaica
Come
Zoo.
on,
Jamaica Zoo.
Jamaica Zoo, Jamaica Zoo. I say Jamaica Zoo, Jamaica Zoo.
Jamaica Zoo.
I say Jamaica Zoo.
Jamaica Zoo.
Take off your mask.
Come
Good
on, say
job.
Jamaica Zoo, Jamaica Zoo.
Jamaica Zoo.
Okay, don't move. One more right here. One more right here.
All right, the donkey
You don't need to be nervous. Say Jamaica Zoo. Relax. Say Jamaica Zoo.
Jamaica Zoo.
You can hold right here. Very good. Have a seat for me, please.
All right, sure, I go try. Guys, I'm trying to be brave with this one, or hold him.
You're gonna give a nice picture. Don't move, man. Say Jamaica Zoo.
Jamaica Zoo.
Okay, cool, okay.
This is Jamaica Zoo. Take it quick. All right.
Okay, you can come
Who's next? Who's next? Oh, she's brave, man. What are you talking about? This lady don't afraid of no snakes.
Right in the camera.
Okay.
She's not afraid, man. She a petting.
I'm gonna give you a nice picture. Stretch this hand all the way down. One hand. Yeah, all the way down. There you go.
Remember that animals are unpredictable, you know, my friend. So what is the name of this one, my brother?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Burmese python.
Oh. Oh, man.
Hello. Go right up for me.
Wow. No, you are the one who weren't afraid of the little one.
Pull it, pull it.
She's brave though.
I got it?
Woo.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Man, the neck is a dangerous place.
Stand right here for me,
The
please.
neck is a dangerous place to put it around, you know.
Come right here for me, please. Come a little closer. Yellow is our Burmese python. Burmese pythons are great swimmers. They can spend up to 30 or more minutes underwater.
Wow. Burmese python.
Yes, sir. Can you all say bye, Yellow?
Bye, yellow.
Okay, come this way for me, please. So let us clap on stage, my friend Sophia.
Sophia. Woo! Sherry, you're the one daughter, you know.
Stand right there for me, please. Open the two hands flat. A little closer. Put your hands closer to them. Yeah, don't hold. Very good. Sophia, open mouth, Sophia. Sophia, open, open. Open, wider. Good, girl.
Hi.
Open, good. You notice one thing most places you go, mommy, you say you're running. Anywhere you go and say them take the crocodile mode, that's the time you need to run. Because that's only said something. You understand saying something that the people them are scared of the animal? Or you understand how they don't trust the animal or something, so they tie them out. Suppose whatsoever they use tie them out, fly, burst or something, what to that?
Oh,
Think about it.
disaster.
You understand what I mean? So for instance, them start help the animal more, you stay far. You don't need to stay far, mommy. Come close. No. No, man, you can't come close. You never see we tie up the animal mouth like that yet. That is cruelty to animals. Alright, Shane, just relax for me, please. And I'm going to give you one nice picture. Be relaxed, put your hands at your side. And I'm going to give you an international picture. You see this picture? People fly from all over the world just for this picture.
Oh, man.
Just say Jamaica Zoo.
Good job, Sherry. Good job.
Flat, hold.
Contestant number 3.
Got it?
Yes.
Alright.
Hands at the side for me, sir. And don't move a muscle. If you're nervous, let's say Jamaica Zoo.
Jamaica Zoo.
Louder, man.
Jamaica Zoo.
Don't watch him bug with that mouth.
Hello. Okay, come this way for me, please. Stand right here for me. Right here for me, please. Right here for me, please. Sophia is our baby crocodile. A crocodile this size in the wild, if you see, I'd advise you don't go touch or grab. It can be very dangerous. A snap from a size crocodile like this, you might can lose one of your fingers or get a nasty bite. Remember, crocodile have one of the most powerful bites of the animal family. They got approximately 32 teeth at the top, 30 at the bottom, one of the most powerful bites. And at this age, they tend to be very defensive. They consider most things to be predators. So they're very snappy. Right? And on the forehead, as you can see, you got the nose, you got the eyes, you got the ears, which allows her to smell, to see, to hear, while hiding her body underwater. They got web-like legs, which allows them to swim swiftly, turn swiftly underwater. Whether in the water, out the water, big or small crocodile, don't go grab the tail and think the mouth is over there. Still can spin and give you a nasty bite. And as I mentioned before, you notice the nose is out, she's smelling you. The eyes is out, she's seeing you. The ears is out, she's hearing. While her body is pretty much underwater. Normally in their natural habitats, you wouldn't be able to see the body of the crocodile because the water would actually take the reflection of the soil, which is normally dark. So can we all say bye, Sophia?
Bye, Sophia.
Yeah. Look at the camera and smile.
Me?
Yeah. And look at the camera and smile. Hat your style.
Wow.
We have some big celebrity in the house right now. I want to carry them out. But through them used to hold up a crowd. Them just have come out for the Christmas show, so normally that's one whole. You understand me? So they used to the hype. So if you get them out, that's the problem. But I like work them, you know? You're smart, you know? Enough nice we're going to make and trick them. Make them think so one whole heap of us. You understand what I mean? So we're going to call them by their name. Guess what their name? 89. What their name? 89. Yeah, so we're going to call them loud and I say, 89, 89, yeah. Loud, loud, loud enough. And when them come out, everything good from this. So you understand me there? And from, I know, just stoop down and feed them. Them not disrespectful, you know. When they come out, them are going to work. Just stoop down for me, please. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3. You got to say 89, 89. Remember what to say loud, you know, because if we don't say loud, them now go come out. You understand what I mean? Come again. 1, 2, 3.
89, 89, 89.
Oh, no. Go 89, 89, 89, 89, 89,
89. Nice, lovely, lovely guys, lovely guys, lovely guys. This is beautiful, beautiful. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Liking this, guys, drop a like.
And that's it for your petting zoo today. I hope you enjoy. And from here, you're going to move on into your tour to see the rest of animals and a nice load of a zoo. Once again, please have a nice day. You can come right here for your quick reference. And once again, please have a nice day. And thank you all for making it Jamaican Zoo.
Thank you, good.
So I'm going to say good afternoon and welcome to Jamaica Zoo once again. My name is Ricardo and I'll be your tour guide for today. And welcome to our macaws. So here at Jamaica Zoo, we have the Scarlett macaw and the blue and gold macaw. So this is a blue and gold macaw. And these birds are lovebirds. And these birds are lovebirds, so they don't change partner unless that partner passed off. Alright? And these birds are also intelligent birds, so they have the IQ of a 10-year-old child, so they will think and behave just like a 10-year-old child would. Alright guys, so I'm going to say now, my bird here will have 213 white eggs, 4 to 12 times for the year. And when those eggs are hatched, mommy here will go around and look for the most handsome baby, and that's the one she will give all her love, care, and affection.
212 eggs.
213.
Wow.
Alright?
So we're over the other side. What is this now? What is this, Thomasai?
Alright, so I'm going to say now guys, this is a tiger lizard, so this is a black and white tiger lizard. Alright? And the males can grow up to 5 feet in length, while the females go 3 to 4 feet in length. And I'm going to say guys, they shed the skin just like the snake does, have the split of the tongue just like the snake does, and swim as well as the snake does. So here at Jamaica Zoo, we give our lizard here roughneck 3 boiled eggs, and that is for 2 days, a baby chick, which is for a day, or some chicken breasts. So whenever my lizard here feels threatened, he will give off a drumming sound from the throat, or he will just play dead. And I'm going to say now, guys, after he's done all that warning and you're constantly poking him, then he will just turn around and snap. Remember, guys, he's a meat eater. So he will give you a perfectly nice bite. So over here now, we have another python. So this is the python right here. If you look, you see her right here. And she's the largest one here. The second heaviest one here. Alright? So here at Jamaica Zoo, we feed our python here on fish, chicken, rabbits, and rabbits. Yes, ducks. So here at Jamaica Zoo, we have two types of ducks. So these are our silent ducks. So these ducks don't make any sounds, right? So they don't make the quack sounds. All right?
I thought ducks were supposed to quack.
Not all ducks. Not all ducks.
Alright. I see a turtle behind there.
Right, there's a turtle in the water also.
Alright, good, good, good.
Alright, so this is our pony, and this is Browning.
Browning, how are
is
you
our
today?
Pony. We normally give rides on Browning. But today Browning is on her day off, so she have the place to roam free today. Alright? So she's just enjoying her day.
It's a horse.
Actually, it's a pony.
Pony.
Right.
Okay. So for the benefit of the viewer, what's a pony and what's the difference between a pony and a horse?
The pony is smaller than the horse. The
Okay.
horse is more bigger and taller.
Okay. Pony looks cuter too.
Right.
Now, this man doesn't look too pleasant.
Well, I'm going to say this is not a man, this is a lady.
It's a lady.
So this is my little friend.
Uh-huh.
And she's, I would say, my best friend here at the zoo, right?
Really?
And her name is Big Blacks, and Big Black is a water buffalo.
Ah.
And she was sent here from Cuba by Castro. All right?
Ah.
So she lives in the water, and Big Blacks here is very trained because, remember, she lives in the water, so normally she will be by the pond, and then whenever it's reached 10 o'clock, she will come right up, right, this side and stand and wait till someone comes and tie her, right?
Oh.
And after, when the day is through, then she will start to get upset because guess what? It's time to go home.
Yeah.
So she will be ready to go.
So the water, you said?
Right. So she spends most of the time up here waiting to interact with our guests. And then after, when our day is through, she's ready to go straight back to the park. All right? And as I said, she's so well trained that even we have a lot of guests here. We normally put the guests to sit on her, right? So for instance, babies, we put them up. And she won't even move and bustle. She'll just stand right there and wait. All right?
Nice, nice, nice. Any volunteers? Any volunteers? But you normally put the babies, you don't put heavy people on there.
But no, we don't have to put them on there. They can come and stand beside her and take a picture.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Because she will stand up. Alright?
Ah.
She will stand up. So
Good.
she will stand up and let you sit on her.
Oh,
Alright?
good, good, good. You want? Take a picture beside him?
So you can come and stand beside him right here.
You sure?
I just went up on her.
You and her are friends?
Alright, so I'm going to stand right here for you. So you can go ahead.
Leslie, this is for content.
That's good, that's good, that's good. You did it, you did it. You did it.
Alright, so we're not going to move with you guys.
Say cheese, say hello. Hey, watch him now. Watch him now, watch him now, watch him now, watch him. Watch him now, watch him.
Watch my.
We're now going down into the jungle. And when we're going down into the jungle, we have some rules, alright? So the first thing...
Alright, alright.
Come in. Come in. You know what's the problem? You know what's the problem?
I'm sorry, man. You didn't get any? Here, biscuit.
To watch your step because it's a bit rocky and slippery at some parts, alright? And I'm going to say no one goes off on their own or stop without letting you know. No one puts their hands inside of fences, alright? So now I'm going to ask you just to give me a minute so I can go and tell my friends that we have some guests and let them get ready, alright?
Alright. Alright guys, we're here. Going in the jungle and there's a lion. You here, guys? I hope the fence is well secure, man.
Yes, well secure.
You have like 2, 3, 4, 5 locks. Alright guys, the lion in the background you hear. You're hearing now. We're not gonna get to him or her
No, you're
quite
not gonna
yet.
get to see them as yet. So it's
Not
two
quite.
males.
Yeah.
So you'll get to see
Two
them
males?
right on your way back.
Why would you put two males together, man?
Because they're two brothers.
Okay, okay.
So there's a lot to know about the lions. So when you get back, you'll know a lot about them. All right.
Okay, cool.
This is the jungle. So we're gonna start right here at the crocodiles. All right. So who's gonna be the first one?
For what?
What, to get eaten?
Yes.
Not today, not today.
All right. So I'm gonna say now, guys. These are Sophie's parents. So Sophie is the baby croc you hold in your hands. All right. So these are our parents. So the lighter in complexion is the mom, and the darker in complexion, that's the dad. All right. So I'm gonna say now, guys. My crocodile here can jump 5 feet in the air, in or out of water. So like how you guys are so close to my fence, do you guys feel safe?
5 feet?
Yeah.
That's pretty good, pretty good.
All right. So I'm gonna say yes, daddy, yes, mommy, yes, sir. So these two at the back, you will normally go to detention because remember, I said 5 feet in the air. So if I throw a stone up in the air, it might more likely come back and burst my head. So it wouldn't go over the fence, right? Because I never say 5 feet over the fence, all right? So normally you two will be snacks. So I'm gonna say now, guys, my crocodiles here can run very fast. So their space and the land is 11. So if you're being chased by one of the crocodiles, do anyone know what to do? Climb the tree. But if there's no tree,
Run on that circle.
you run on that circle, you're gonna end up become a snack.
Run.
Run zigzag, exactly.
I thought you were
so.
supposed to. I thought they said outrun somebody else so that the crocodile focus on the next person.
Well, that is true. That is true. That is true. Because if you can outrun that person, then he will become the snack, right? But if you go zigzag, that's the best way. Because remember now, guys, because of the straight backbone, the crocodile cannot make that sudden turn. All right? And the pace that they're going at, they will more likely to turn over. All right? So I'm going to say now, whenever you see the crocodile with their mouth open, do anyone know what they're doing?
Sweating.
Sweating like me, no? Yeah. Well, Moon says sweat, then they're more likely a cool down, like a more cool down.
Okay,
All right?
Okay.
So they will be cooling their temperature down. So I'm going to say now, guys, for instance, I give my crocodiles here, right? 20 pounds of meat. So for instance, I give them a pork leg, weighing 20 pounds, right? And daddy make a big snap and get about 15 pounds on his belly. So do anyone know the process of that food getting digest?
Open your mouth.
Open his mouth. Well, daddy, when him take that food, right? Him gonna bite that food. He do not chew. He will swallow that food down as it is, right? So now then the acidic in the stomach will start to work. And after the stomach acidic is working, he will go around and collect some small stones. And he will take those stones like pill and it will grind down the meat. So that will help the process of digesting that meat, right? So remember, if you rub two stones together, you get very smaller, right? So now then those stones will be passed out in their feces. So we're now moving on, guys. So we're going this way, please. All right, guys. So I'm going to say these are my silky chickens, or otherwise called Chinese chickens. So yes, guys, these are Mrs. and Mr. Chin.
Oh,
All right. So I'm going to say now, guys, these chickens originated from China. All right. And the difference between these chickens and our chickens are these chickens have silky feathers while ours don't. These chickens have 5 toes while ours don't. And these chicken meats are black. Oh, all right, black. So these are the black chickens.
Ooh.
So here we are, here we are. So before I go any further, I'm going to ask, do anyone know anything about the iguanas? Can you please go ahead, ma'am?
They're very scary and they make a
Cooking
terrible cooking noise.
That's it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to say now, this is my iguana, and her name is Lizzie. So Lizzie is my iguana, right? And Lizzie likes vegetables. So Lizzie does not eat meat. So Lizzie likes papaws and cherry. That's her favorite fruits. And her favorite vegetables are pap chow and callaloo. All right? So Lizzie is like this. If Lizzie is in a pack or group with some males, she will go around and collect the semen from those males and keep it in her pouch. So the semen will stay in that pouch for 6 months. After 6 months, it will no longer be good, right? And then Lizzie will now observe the males and choose which male she wants to use.
Alright guys, and we're at another area
Alright.
here. And this
So
is
these are my monkeys, guys. And these are my Capuchin monkeys. And why they're called Capuchin, if you look on their head, they have on the black cap, just like the Pope would wear. Alright? And normally you see these monkeys in some movies, right? And in those movies, do anyone know what they normally be doing? Exactly so. So these monkeys can be trained to be perfect thieves. Alright?
Where is the banana?
Well, you don't give my monkeys your banana. Normally I will have some nuts in my pocket, right? And I will show and say nuts. Then I place it in my pocket. Down, pocket. Well, he's not working right now. Let's do this one. Come here, boy. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here. Come, pocket. I'm gonna say now these monkeys are, should I say, they take some characters of some artists. So they have the names of the artists. Alright? So this guy over here, he's very cross, very hungry, and very miserable, right? So he's Bunty. And because he's Bunty and that little lady was over here with him, she becomes the angel. And then this gentleman over here becomes who? Exactly. So I'm gonna say now, guys, just like our artists of the love triangle is the same here with my monkeys. Alright?
Oh.
So Angel was over here, and for some reason she put it on the fence. And Beanie just tip up in night. Right? And when Beanie tip up in night, Bunty I beat her with the hammer same time. So we have to take her out. See my explain and not sure what's going on? So we have to take her out and put her over here. Right? But for some reason when she over here with Beanie, maybe she'll get too calm or too easygoing. Beanie start to sing a song and tell her about reverse the thing and all of those things. So she'll start to reverse the thing. So she start to put it back over here. Right?
Okay.
So when she's doing that now, Beanie just sit right there in his corner and be as how he is, calm and collective, and wait till she finish and get down. So when she finish and get down, that's when he give her his beating, and because of that, she does not eat out of the containers. Right? She normally be up top like how you see she's now, and we the maids have to come and feed her special. Because if she tries to go to the container, she'll get some whopping. Alright?
Oh.
So because of that now, we the males start to give her a little bit more treatment, special treatment, right? So for instance, if they're getting water, she'll get syrup. If they're getting peanut, she's getting popcorn. You're getting popcorn, she's getting hot dog. So she's always above them.
You can get it. You can get it.
So I'm gonna use his tail now.
No. No, I'm giving him because I love him. I'm gonna give him. Leave him. Don't you hit him. Don't hit him. I said don't hit him. Here, you. Don't hit him. I
nothing
said
is in
don't
there.
hit him. Let him go. Let him go. No, let him go. If you hit him, you're not getting. Why you crying? Don't do that. Here. No. You. Why you let him beat you up? No. Hey.
But you don't have it. You don't have anything. No, you don't.
No man, no man.
Look at it.
Alright.
Alright, let's go this way, guys.
Bye.
So here we are at some spider monkeys, and these monkeys are more like humans, alright? So these are the monkeys they normally use in the lab to run tests on, for example, the vaccine, medications, and some types of surgeries, alright? And while these monkeys are called spider monkeys, when they hang upside down by their tail, they will look exactly like a spider, alright? So now I'm going to go and introduce you to my monkeys. So this is Mommy Gracie, Baby Grayson, and Daddy Ben. Alright, so it's 2 female and 1 male. So Mommy here is the one we normally take out to interact with our guests. But for some reason, she says she's on retirement, so she stopped work. Right? So Baby Grayson starts to take over, right? So Baby Grayson likes to mimic people, so she normally watch and observe people, and then she starts to do what they do, alright? So a few days ago, I was down here and I'm talking to my wife on the phone, right? So ending the convoy, I said, okay, baby, love you. Mwah. My phone. Going up, I heard about them. So I said there was no bird down here what make that sound. So when I came and look, baby Grayson have her hands hanging out and her mouth pushed. So I jumped the fence and come over and make the sound again. And baby Grayson grabbed me by my hair, pulling me closer towards her and trying to give me a kiss. Right? So when Daddy sees she does that, Daddy gets so upset that he gave Mommy a beating, Grayson a beating, and I get a beating also. Alright? So we're gonna see if Grayson is gonna give me a kiss this evening.
Alright.
Alright? So come here, Grayson. Come here, girl. Grayson, come here. Come here, Grayson. Hi, baby. Hi. Come here, Grayson. Come here. Come here. That's Daddy. That's Daddy. Come here, Grayson. Come here, girl. Come here, baby. Come here. Hi, Grayson. All right, good girl. Good girl. Here you go. Here you go, Grayson. So I'm gonna say now, guys, the two females you see a long pink thing hanging from the rear. Can anyone guess and tell me what that is? Females, yes, that's the females. So this is the male, this is Daddy Ben, so that's the male. So the long pink thing hanging from the rear. Anyone? No. All right. So that's a part of the female reproductive system.
You see them?
And that's, well, I would say it starts with a C.
See.
Mm-hmm. Exactly so.
Keisha, you're so brilliant, man.
Person, behave yourself. Here you go. Here you go. Alright guys, so we're now moving on.
Awesome, awesome. It's,
Come on,
it's begging.
take
This
it
one is begging, man.
Grayson. Here you go. Here you go, girl.
Everybody get. Okay, sir.
Alright.
And now our
So
feature
he-
presentation.
We're now here at the lions, guys. So we're gonna start by we're in Africa, alright? So in Africa, so lioness, so I have 3 lioness here. So my 3 lioness, you are the ones who go out and do the hunting. And when you hunt, you will bring back the meal. And when you bring back the meal, the lion will eat first. And after the lion have eaten, then the cubs, then the elders, then the lioness will eat whatsoever is left if there's any. Alright? So lioness, after you've done that wonderful job, this is what the lion will do for you now. So that lion will mate with you up to 200 times per day just to ensure that you have a baby cub. Alright? So lioness,
You said 200, right?
200 times per day. And I'm going to say now, lioness, that lion won't last more than 5 minutes each time he mounts up. So that is 16 and a half hours of the day of mating. And remember now, lioness, that the lions sleep 22 hours of the day. So here at Jamaica Zoo, we have 2 lions and their names are Santa and Sainty. And why my lions' names are Santa and Sainty is because they're born here in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. That means my lions are Jamaicans. And my lions are 18 years of age. And they are both brothers, alright? So here at Jamaica Zoo, we feed our lions here on cow, pig, goats, and chicken. And each of my lion will have to get approximately 70 pounds of meat. And that will last just for 2 days. So it's 140 pounds of cow, pig, goat, chicken for my 2 lions for 2 days. Alright guys? So now we're going to go a bit closer to the lions to hear them roar. Alright?
Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Stay steady,
So,
guys.
ready,
Stay
guys?
steady.
Ready?
Stay steady,
Here
guys.
we go! Go! Let's go! Go!
Oh, yeah, don't take a chance. I'm back again. This is getting serious.
Alright guys, so I'm going to say thank you very much for making
Whoa.
it Jamaica Zoo. Please have a wonderful day.
Whoa,
My
wow,
name is
wow.
Ricardo. Thank you once
Wow,
again.
wow, 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 wow.
Like he upset.
Remember, you just tease them enough.
Yeah, pray for them. Come on, natural.
Exactly so.
Pray for them.
You pray for me? No, man, I'm prepare for them.
Finger through the match.
No, them now can get through the mission.
Oh, the
Remember, we have to make
because
sure we
you
do.
put your hand through the machine.
No, I'm not putting your hand through your income stuff.
No?
No,
She
you put
see what
your
she said?
hand there.
I put
You
my
put
hand
your
in
hand
and
and
blame
touch
it
it.
here.
He touched it in its head. He was touching it. What I thought was the gate. It was the gate for the other side. I thought it was to open.
Mr. Fearon,
Yes,
man,
good afternoon, good afternoon.
fantastic place you have here, man.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Wow, wow, and I love your energy, man, I tell you. What was the inspiration behind Jamaica Zoo?
Well, inspiration just grow loving animals and then realize that there was a demand than for the animals in Jamaica because at the time there were basically limited amount of animals because there was basically no animals around where you could take your kids or even family to come out and experience staring a lion in its face.
A lion?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're about to see a lion too?
Yes, sir. You're about to see the lions and not just seeing the lions, you're going to actually hear the roar.
Whoa.
You know, like most places, you see a lion and say, oh, there's a lion.
Yeah.
What I hear abroad most times, they just lie down and you're wondering if they're alive or if they, these you're going to hear, they're very active. They're going to be like,
Awesome,
rushing.
awesome. How long is Jamaica Zoo in operation? Huh?
Well, we actually open approximately 12 years now, somewhere about there. Right, like up running, you know.
And everybody is welcome, local, overseas?
Yeah,
everybody?
man, everybody is welcome. And even yesterday, what surprises me is I had some guests from Cuba, and they was like pretty much impressed. And I was just like, oh no, but I've been to
Several other
zoos.
places,
Yeah, and I noticed I have more animals than what I have. So why you prefer this zoo compared to most zoos? For some reason, I would like your honest opinion.
Yeah.
Why you say you prefer this to all the zoos that you've been to?
Yeah.
That's what I asked one of the ladies.
Yeah.
She said, it is different.
Yeah.
She have never had this experience before. She had never touched a snake before.
Yeah.
She never really have that interaction with some of the animals. She have never heard a lion roar before.
Wow.
Right.
So I was gonna actually, that was my next question, which is what makes you different? But I think you answered the question right there, right?
Yeah. Well,
People are interested in reaching out to Jamaica Zoo, to reaching out to you. How can they get in touch with you?
well, phone number is 487-3001 435-9999, or you can go on our webpage jamaicazoo.org.
All right, and those numbers are 876. For those of you guys watching overseas, it's a
876-487-3001 or 435-9999.
Yeah. Do you have an Instagram as well, Mr. Fearon?
Yes, Jamaica Zoo attraction.
Fantastic. Final question.
Right.
What makes Jamaica special, Mr. Fearon?
What makes Jamaica special?
Yeah.
Our sunshine, our beauty, the plants. You know, it's 24 hours. Right through the year, you basically can enjoy our climate, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, and the people in Jamaica, regardless of what people might say, we are beautiful, nice, wonderful people. Our culture is beautiful. Our people, like even you, just today right here, just even we asked the question about the crocodile and which one of the animals the chopper love. You know, we drove on, you know, outside of what is happening sometimes.
Awesome.
Yeah, but anytime you see like we're together, uniting,
best,
we are the best persons in the world.
Man,
we're unique, you know.
Best, man, best. All the best to Jamaica Zoo.
Yes.
You know, blessings and prosperity. And I expect some great things, man.
Yes,
man.
yes,
Keep
man.
doing what you're doing, man.
Yeah, man, definitely.
All
and
right.
we will see you again, and when you come back, you will see a lot more and a lot more development. You know?
All right.
And once again, and thanks. Yeah?
All right, you're welcome.
Appreciate it, man.
All right, guys, that is it. The Jamaica Zoo tour. What do you make of it? What are you taking away from this fascinating place? So many animals and stuff. So much learning. I'd love to hear from you, Zoo. What do you make of it? Drop a comment down below. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. There's a lot of videos capturing stuff like these. I call it the real Jamaica. I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way, you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. This is indeed the real Jamaica.